Hi entrepreneurs! In this video, bibigyan namin kayo ng idea with the best-selling classic ice scramble. Let's start! I-prepare natin ang 1 pack inJoy classic ice scramble. Step 1, maghanda ng 5 kg crushed ice. Step 2, ilagay inJoy scramble powder sa ibabaw nito. Take note, huwag tunawin sa tubig. Dapat powder pa lamang ang scramble. Step 3, haluin ito gamit ang handheld mixer hanggang matunaw lahat ng powder at umalsa ang in-scramble. At kapag walang handheld mixer, maaari ding gumamit ng wire whisk bilang alternatibo. Take note, ito ang pinakamahalagang hakbang para makuha ang tamang texture ng inyong scramble. Yan, ready na ang inJoy scramble mo. Ngayon, itatransfer na natin ito sa ating cups of different sizes. If gusto niyo ng single measurement ng scramble recipe na ito, naka-flash screen ninyo. Feel free to post and screenshot. Now, for our first idea, we can add a saba topping. Next, if kids ang market nyo, you can add mallows and sprinkles. Isang idea naman is to add syrups like chocolate. You can also add gulaman, milk powder, or iba pa. Your creativity is the limit. What recipes do you want us to do next? Comment them down below.